Hey y'all, it's SheRea, what's up? In this video, I am going to share how I condition and detox my dry type 4 hair and create soft, shiny, and defined curls in just a few steps. You ready? And while I have your attention, I would love it if you like this video because it really helps my channel out. And I hope that this video will inspire you to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss my new uploads. I start off most quarantine wash days with my bonnet. I always have twists or braids just chilling under my bonnet for days at a time. I hauled this bonnet in a recent video so you can check it out in the cards. My twists are feeling okay, but I layered too many products so my scalp was a bit itchy, and y'all know I am not in favor of Lion Kinging my scalp. So it was time for a condition and detox session. I take my time and take down twist by twist, starting at the ends and working my way up. This helps to avoid tangling and those annoying single strand knots. I finger the tangle to remove shed hair and to warm my low porosity hair up and prep it for my pre-poo or pre-treatment. Hands down, pre-pooing changed the game for me over the last year. My hair is shinier, softer, and way more manageable than ever before. I am going in with a mystery pre-poo. It's a mystery because I have no idea what is in it. No, really, I have no idea. I mixed this up maybe 9 months ago and it's been chilling in my freezer since then. Yes, I freeze everything, and yes, it is still good and effective. All I did was add some neem powder, a bit of conditioner, and some rice water to thicken it up because it looked a bit runny after defrosting. I have several treatment videos on my channel, so I will link my DIY recipe playlist. Any of them will work. So here's the steps. I remove my twist from the ends to the roots, being careful to take my time. I then detangle using my thumb to separate the strands and break them apart without causing harm and compromising the integrity of my hair. Then I go in with all 5 fingers like a claw, and I carefully use my fingers like a wide tooth comb to remove tangles and shed hair. After I finger detangle, I apply my treatment, making sure I especially get it at the root and at the ends. The ends are old and dusty and they need help. It's important to work in small sections so that no strand goes untreated. In order to take this treatment to the next level, I am applying my hair growth oil. I just uploaded a video on how I make it so you can check it out in the card above. It is full of hair growth herbs, but I like to focus on my crown where I experience the most breakage. And this is what my hair is looking like after applying the treatment and the oil. My hair is super defined, shiny, and I can see all my new inches using treatments like this consistently over the last few months. Come through, booty crack length. Come through, booty crack length. I then braid my hair in 2 sections, put on a shower cap and beanie, and let the treatment marinate overnight to reap the full benefits. The next day, I rinse out the treatment in 1 big section. I love Ayurvedic treatments, but they can be a pain to rinse out. So I allow the warm water to remove as much residue as possible. Because I am low porosity, I always use warm water throughout my wash day. Even though it is a bit tedious, I take my time because it is definitely worth it. And the growth is coming through, y'all. It is so amazing how much these treatments have transformed my hair. After rinsing my hair out in 1 big section, it is time to split my hair in 4 to really get the powders out and to further condition my hair. This treatment was very moisturizing, but sometimes Ayurvedic powders can err on the strengthening to drying side. So I recommend following up with a cheap rinse-out conditioner. I re-wet the section to allow the conditioner to glide through my hair. I am using my Bay, my absolute favorite cheap rinse-out conditioner. As always, I will link everything down below. I miss you. I missed you! I rake and smooth the conditioner through, getting out any knots or tangles. Then I twist my hair up and I move on to the next section. I repeat this process on every section, re-wetting my hair to lift my hair's cuticles and absorb the moisture. And here's another length check, because it's almost like my hair is longer in every wash day video. Is it just me? Y'all, it's insane. I finger detangle and rake the conditioner through. I sped this up, but trust me, I am gentle with my hair and I take my time. And then I twist it on up. After I finish applying the conditioner, I rinse my hair out in 2 big sections to make sure no leftover conditioner is sitting on my hair or between my parts. I split my hair back into 4 sections and I move on to my actual co-wash. A rinse-out conditioner does not contain surfactants or cleansing agents, so it is not enough on its own to clean the hair. I re-wet the section again to allow the co-wash to create suds and lather. This co-wash by Honey's Handmade reminds me of the As I Am cleansing co-wash, but I much prefer this one. It is nice and creamy, but it is very effective in cleaning the hair. Here's a trick I do. If you want your co-wash to lather more and create more bubbles, re-wet it after application. It will take it up a notch. You see those suds? Yup, I know what I'm talking about. I scrub my scalp with the pads of my fingers and not my nails. You are not Mufasa. Do not scratch your scalp like a lion. You see that I also finger detangle throughout every step. It keeps my tangle-prone hair tangle-free, and it keeps my hair stretched. I continue this process throughout every section, first wetting down the section to create slip and open the hair cuticles. Applying the co-wash on my scalp and throughout my hair shaft, smoothing and detangling it through, and re-wetting the section to create more lather. Then twisting the section up and moving on until I co-wash my entire head. Again, I rinse out the co-wash in 2 big sections. I separate my hair back in 4 sections, and it is time for the final step in this wash day, the clay wash step. I've talked about clay washing in several other videos, and I will link them above. This time I am using a DIY recipe. Interested in how I make it? Well, let's get this video to 1,500 likes, and I'll make it happen. I apply the clay just like I apply a co-wash. This clay wash gives me definition that I haven't seen before in a clay wash, especially one that I make myself. The curl definition is crazy. My curls are clumping right up. I apply it section by section, making sure to rub it into my scalp and throughout my strands to remove residue and buildup. I'm also able to use it to lightly finger detangle. My hair is smooth, soft, and fully detoxed. I take all the clips out and I wash it out in one final big section. It is super easy to remove from the hair like a commercial clay wash, and I'm excited. Y'all see how plump and juicy my curls look? Woo! This clay wash created the perfect foundation for an amazing style with lots of definition and shine. I did deep condition outside the shower, comparing 4 different deep conditioners, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss this upcoming video. Thanks for joining me on this amazing wash day, and I will talk to y'all later. Love ya!